I have a real issue around chatbot metrics or conversational AI metrics. I've used so many different platforms to build chatbots on. Most have some kind of dashboard, but the value of the dashboard varies massively. You know, the kind of information they're giving you sometimes is just a waste of space, doesn't really give the business any important ROI metrics, doesn't give them anything they can feed back to, you know, marketing, sales, of value. And yeah, so metrics is a real issue for me, and I think it is for other people. And I think there is a gap in the market that is going to start being filled by dashboard type products that can plug into the chatbot and conversational AI products, because they're just not doing it well. And you may see some of those then just get acquired, so that whatever chatbot building platform you're using, they just buy that because they've done such a good job of building those metrics in and just plug it straight into that platform. It's ripe for innovation. You know, what metrics are important to that business? You know, number of messages is so low down, and I see this on every dashboard. It's so low down. Number of messages is pointless. The number of conversations, I think, is more important. Number of goals hit, so whether that is download something, book a meeting, whatever that goal is, they need to be recorded. Number of conversations or percentage of conversations that hit a goal versus not hit a goal. Number of conversations that had to fall back to a human. I think that's really important. I think people try and record too much of the stuff that is just fluff, without focusing in on the stuff that's really important to that business. And every business is different. Different metrics matter to different businesses. Another one, that I think people sometimes don't do and should do is the channel where the conversations are happening. So if you've got WhatsApp, Messenger, and your website, you want to know the percentage of conversations that are happening across those three channels, for instance. That's really useful for resourcing and understanding more about your customer and how they prefer to communicate. So metrics. Oh God, we could have a 4-hour conversation about metrics and dashboards. But I'd be interested to know, firstly, what are the common metrics you think are important in chatbots and conversational AI? What are the metrics you see that have got very low value? Any dashboards out there on platforms you've seen, on conversational AI platforms you've seen that you think are really good? And any kind of reporting, metrics, dashboard solutions that are outside of the chatbot and conversational AI products that you think are up and coming or useful. It's a fascinating area to talk about. I'd be interested to hear your opinion. Have a great day and take care.